Kalispell Regional is trying to make healthcare for our community more reachable. One way that we're doing this is by expanding our virtual healthcare platform. This is called Lifesize. Now, some of our patients will be doing this more frequently than others, and as such, you might have gone ahead and downloaded the Lifesize application to your computer. If you haven't but expect to be doing this multiple times, the process for downloading it is as follows. I'm going to share my screen, and as we're doing this, keep in mind that this is for a Mac computer I'm demonstrating. So to download Lifesize to your Mac computer, you'll navigate using your browser to lifesize.com. On this home page, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom, where you'll see this dark purple banner. There's the support section with software downloads. Click on that software downloads where you'll be taken to a new page with the Lifesize desktop app option to download. Simply select that and it will download Lifesize to your applications folder. This might take just a moment or two, but eventually, after it's finished, you'll find it in the applications folder. Now, when it's time to visit your doctor, you'll navigate back to your email where they'll send you a link. Your doctor's office will send you a link to connect with your doctor. Simply click the link and it will open the Lifesize application. Now this application, the extension, which is the doctor's number, will be pre-filled. All you need to do is enter your name so the doctor knows which patient is calling. You do not need an email. If it's your first time accessing the application, Lifesize will need access to your microphone as well as your camera. You want to allow this as it is video conferencing. After you've allowed these, you'll see a preview of what your camera is looking at. You'll see your microphone, and when you talk, you'll be able to test, and as well as testing your speakers to verify that all your devices are working before you join the provider. Then, after everything's working, click the purple Join button. If you're the only participant in the meeting, it'll look similar to what my screen shows here. If, once the provider connects and says there's issues hearing you, those devices that you had just set can be accessed one more time by selecting the gear wheel on the right side of the screen. At the end of the visit, all you have to do is select the disconnect button that's found in the lower right-hand